Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this super cute little heart. Okay, so all you'll need for the heart is a crochet hook and some yarn. So I'm using some double knit yarn, and the recommended hook size is a 4mm hook, so that's what I'm going to use. Whatever yarn you use, just check and make sure that you're using the correct recommended hook size. If you want to go down by a hook size, then you can do, but it'll be a bit smaller, and the same as if you go up by a hook size, it will be bigger. So we're going to start off doing a magic circle. So what you'll do is you'll get the yarn, you'll put it across your fingers, hold it with your thumb and your index finger, go around your index finger and your middle finger and cross it over at the top. So now we're making an X, and you'll see the top loop is just hanging to the left. You're going to get your hook, put it under the first loop, and you're going to face your hook down and hook through the second and pull that through, and you're going to turn your hook towards you and up. So now the little hook is facing away from you, and we're going to just pick up this yarn that my fourth finger is holding, my ring finger, and you're going to just hook that one over. So it's like this, and you'll just pull it through the loop that was already on your hook, and it'll be like that. And now what you can do is take your right hand, the one that's holding the hook, and you'll just pull that one through. So now your fingers are free and you've got a ring. So the loose end, the tail end, is to the left, and then you're going to be working into this loop. So what we're going to do first of all is do a single crochet. So we're going to insert our hook into the ring, yarn over. Now we've got 2 loops, and you're going to just pull through, yarn over again and pull through both loops. We're now going to do a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over again. You've now got 3 loops, and we're going to pull through all 3. So that's a half double crochet. We're going to do a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the loop again, yarn over and pull through. You've got 3 loops. This time we're going to just yarn over and pull through those first 2. So pull through those 2. Now you've got 2 loops again, and we're going to yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that was a double crochet. And now we'll do a treble crochet. So with the treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice. So we've yarned over, so we've got 3 loops already on the hook. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. There's now 4 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the next 2, and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2. And that'll make a treble crochet. Now what we're going to do is we'll chain 2, and we're going to do a slip stitch. So this is we're making the right top of the heart. You're going to insert your hook, do a single crochet. So that's when you yarn over once and then pull through both. Then we're going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to yarn over, and you're not going to yarn over again. You're just going to pull through. Now we'll do chain 3. So chain 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the opposite of what we did. So we started off on a single crochet and ended on a treble. We're now going to start off on the treble and end on a single. So yarn over twice for the treble, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the next 2, and pull through the final 2 loops. Then we're going to do a double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2. So now we'll do a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull through all 3. Then we're going to do a single crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and then what we'll do is do a slip stitch, and then just make sure that your towel end is still hanging out. You can always pull it just to make it a bit longer, but it will end up closing that circle. So now what we'll do, just to make these 2, the bottom bit attach, we'll do 1 single crochet, and then you'll find the first stitch, which you can see here, it's just this one where the little V is. If you want, you can put a stitch marker in the first stitch so that you know where to slip stitch into at the end. So make sure you go under both loops, yarn over, pull through that one, and then just pull through again. And then you're going to have something that looks like this. So it's kind of looking like a heart, but there's a big hole in it. So what we'll do, get the towel end at the back and pull it closed. And then once you've pulled it, it will create a miniature heart. And it will look something like that. And then you'll just want to fasten off. So yarn over, pull through once, and then get your scissors and just fasten off. And then you'll see here, just play around with it a bit, and you'll see it's a tiny heart. And then what you want to do, weave in the ends, and you're done. So you can add this to bears, you can add it to just packaging, you can put it in cards, you can do anything with it.